Today's trip tips will cover what you need to know about bringing liquids through TSA airport security as part of your carry-on allowance. Each passenger is allowed to bring one clear quart-sized bag with them to fit every container of liquids inside. The bag also needs to close. A pro tip would be that many airports give these bags away for free. I always like to stock up on them so I can pack my liquids inside of them before even leaving home. Every container that is inside the bag needs to be 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliters or smaller, regardless of how much is actually inside of the liquid container. So even if you only have this much left, but the bottle holds 4 ounces worth of liquid, you will not be able to take that with you through security. These liquid restrictions are per passenger and are not going to change regardless of how much you are bringing with you through security. So even if you have just a personal item as a backpack, or if you have a backpack and a purse and a carry-on suitcase, your limit is not going to change and you are entitled to that single bag of liquids. It's important to note that when the TSA says liquids, they are actually referring to all liquids that we would consider to be liquids, like water, but also aerosols, gels, pastes, and even liquidy food items. An example of personal items that would be subject to the liquid restriction include toothpaste, gel deodorant, hair gel, shampoo, sunscreen, moisturizer, bug spray, shaving cream, and anything that is in an aerosol container like hairspray. Makeup items like liquid foundation and nail polish are also going to be subject to the liquid restriction, as well as things that you may not think about like cream eyeliner or mascara. And then beyond just personal care items, the Ziploc bag must also contain any food items that are creamy, jelly, or liquidy, such as jelly and mashed potatoes. Who would have thought? Even souvenir items, such as a snow globe that has the liquid inside of it, is going to be subject to these liquid restrictions. Good luck! There are some exceptions for medically necessary liquids, such as prescription medication, breast milk, and infant formula. You are allowed to bring these in unlimited quantities in your carry-on and through airport security. Just be sure to take them out of your bag and place them in the bin so a TSA agent could clearly identify them as they go through the scanner. Always be sure to double-check the TSA website, which I have linked below if you are unsure whether you can or can't bring a certain liquid with you. And then once you get through airport security, you can go shopping in the airport and purchase any drinks or food or liquidy personal care items that you would like and take them with you onto the airplane. Funny how that works. Best of luck on your next trip, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us back here for more trip tips next week. Bye.